Music composers don't just use one instrument. What they do is combine and consolidate the flutes, the trumpets, the bassoons, the oboes, the vocals, and the strings, and they bring them all together. That's seamless, that's magical, that is composition, and that's what a composer does. And that has been the inspiration for us in building this product, eGain Composer. So compounded by these problems of no single source of truth, non-AI ready content, as well as disjointed systems, if you try to build a solution together, what you end up building is something what we call the Frankenstein stack, where components do not talk to each other. There is no cohesion, and you don't get to harness the real power and potential of AI. We built this product called eGain Composer, which affords the ability to derive the three things: trusted knowledge, deterministic reasoning, and assured action, all through a developer access. So you get to see not only from a platform software perspective, but you have a full composable developer access to it. We do it with correctly contextualizing it, building a semantic understanding of it. That's where our strength of the eGain Composer lies in. Third layer that we see is the agentic AI flows. We do want, in the age of Gen AI, in the 2025 unleashing of the agentic capabilities, we want the agentic AI to reserve the calendar automatically, update the customer preferences, customer profile automatically, the self-service, the customer satisfaction scores going up, the first call resolutions going up, the average handle times going down, and the time to productivity for agents shrinking. So all the goodness that comes out of it through our eGain platform, we are also offering for the developer. And our foundation relies on a bunch of tools we have built based on the industry needs, what our customers shared their pain points. By the way, this is just a snapshot of half a dozen tools that we have. We have many more capabilities in our platform, but we feel that, I think, paired with this developer platform, eGain Composer, and this underlying tool capabilities, a lot more benefits of Gen AI can be harnessed. So we offer APIs at multiple layers because we believe in modularity. Those 4 layers are crucial to us. So this whole layers of APIs that are enabled through the Composer platform, they are at your disposal, and we do believe that you can come up with a lot of interesting use cases, applications, and scenario. And we do believe that we have created the foundation, but you are the composer. And here is a list of 6 different customers who we have already enabled in varying configurations utilizing our Composer platform. The magenta dots is where the eGain component has been integrated, and the blue ones are where customer brought their components to integrate and build a compelling, powerful solution. The possibilities are immense. There is a lot of capability, composability that we are offering, and we want you to hit the right notes to create the right music for your CX platform. Banking and finance, where customers have adopted us very significantly, and there are 3 samples of how they have built their technology stack. So our messaging, your stack, your way, our customers are already showing us how to build those stack and deploy them at production scale and harness all the great goodness that comes along with it. We will be offering APIs with complete documentation, complete details on what needs to be done. By the way, it's all public on our webpage, apidev.egain.com. Historically, APIs have been heavily used, but for the AI generation, the model context protocol is tending to be seeing a wide adoption. So the MCP servers we are enabling for our Composer platforms. On the data source side, we recognize that some of the most salient applications, the SharePoint teams, PDF files, GitHubs, the Confluence, and the Salesforce, I think tend to be the most important. We have more connectors, and you can bring data using those. Naturally, on the experience side, we have enabled with many of the core CX, CCaaS, UCaaS platforms, the Genesys, Salesforce, ServiceNow, SAPs of the world. So you get to enjoy the rich experience that we offer through the platform.